This is Blue Book Digital SAT number 9, Reading and Writing Module 1. Researchers have struggled to pinpoint specific causes for hiccups, which happen when a person's diaphragm contracts blank. However, neuroscientist KW has found that these uncontrollable contractions play an important role in helping infants regulate their breathing. Is it involuntarily, beneficially, strenuously, or smoothly? Well, you can match uncontrollable contractions with involuntary. And of course, we all know that hiccups happen without us consciously wishing it to happen. So involuntary is the best answer.